Helicopter crashed into the Hudson River. One witness said they saw the helicopter heading towards New Jersey. I don't know what happened to the tail, but it straight up dropped. Holy fuck. Look at that. It doesn't have the spinny thing at the end. Wait, oh fuck. Is that upside down? So it's gone. Flying erratically. What the hell? I mean, yeah, that... And it's still got the spinny things, you know? I'm not a helicopter expert here. Yeah, look at the... Is that the tail? The crazy thing is, it's really lucky in a way that it landed in the water. This is a really urbanized city. I mean, it could have killed 50 people, right? I mean, if it hit in the right place. It was a family from Spain, 2 adults, 3 kids, and a pilot. That's really sad, man. Fuck, man, that's awful.